Managing services. To access the Telephony Toolbar's advanced features, simply click the toggle or button marked Services. The Services window allows users to enable or disable the Assistant Enterprise Toolbar's advanced features. The advanced features are listed under 3 feature categories, such as incoming calls, outgoing calls, and call control. When you access the Services window, whatever page you were working in last appears first. And for the most part, setting up services is a matter of accessing the feature you want to set up and selecting either a radio button or the checkbox. If you're not exactly sure how a service functions, you will find the definition of the service at the bottom of the window. Let's start the lesson by showing you how to set up the anonymous call rejection, which is the first feature in the incoming call group. When anonymous call rejection is enabled, you can prevent callers with restricted numbers from reaching you. To enable the anonymous call rejection feature, select the On Radio button. And to disable, select Off. Next, simply click the Apply button. You can set your phone to forward calls from your toolbar. You can set your phone to call forward always, call forward no answer, and call forward busy. Call forward always automatically forwards your calls to a different number. Calls will skip your primary phone and route to the number you designate. To set up Call Forward Always, select the Call Forward Always link. Select the On Radio button. Enter the phone number that you wish to forward your calls to. You can select the checkbox to play a reminder ring to your primary phone when a call is forwarded. Lastly, click Apply. Call Forward Always has a toggle button that allows you to quickly enable or disable the service. Call Forward No Answer automatically forwards calls to a different number when you do not answer the phone. You can specify calls to be forwarded after a certain number of rings. To set up Call Forward No Answer, select the Call Forward No Answer link. Select the On Radio button. Enter the phone number that you wish to forward your calls to. Use the drop-down menu to select and specify the number of rings to your primary phone. Next, click Apply. Call Forward Busy automatically forwards calls to a different number when your phone is busy. To set up Call Forward Busy, select the Call Forward Busy link. Select the On Radio button. Enter the phone number that you wish to forward your calls to. Next, click Apply. The Do Not Disturb feature allows you to automatically forward calls to your voicemail if configured. Otherwise, the caller hears a busy signal. To set up Do Not Disturb, select the Do Not Disturb link. Select the On Radio button. You can select the checkbox to play a reminder ring to your primary phone when a call is forwarded. Next, click Apply. Do Not Disturb has a toggle button that allows you to quickly enable or disable the service. Compilot Express allows you to pre-configure 4 profiles to control your inbound calls. These profiles can quickly be changed using the web or phone when you leave your desk or when you are at a remote location. On the Compilot Express page, you can pick a pre-configured profile simply by using the drop-down menu next to the current profile and selecting the profile you wish to use. Once you select your desired profile, click Apply. However, you must configure the profile first. So let's review how to set your first profile, which is Available in the Office. Click the Available in the Office link. As you can see, this profile provides the ability to indicate how calls are handled when you are located in the office. You can enable incoming calls to ring at additional phones and set up voice messaging to take calls. If you want to create the Available in the Office profile, consider how you want to route your incoming calls and enter a call forward number and select the appropriate radio buttons. To create an out-of-office profile, click the Out of Office link. This profile enables the user to dictate how calls are handled when he or she is out of the office but available to receive calls. Calls can be forwarded to different phones and notification emails can be sent. To create a busy profile, click the Busy link. With this profile, you can indicate how calls are to be handled when you are busy. Calls from selected numbers can be forwarded to another number. You can also have an email notification sent to you when callers leave a voice message. To create an unavailable profile, click the Unavailable link. This profile enables you to specify how calls are handled when you are not available. For example, when you are on vacation, calls from selected numbers can be forwarded, and you can specify a voice messaging greeting to be heard by all callers. Once your 4 profiles are created, you can either set a profile by accessing the Services window from the toolbar, or you can simply select the Compiler drop-down menu and select your desired profile from the Services toolbar. You should not configure other services such as Call Notify, Call Forwarding, or Simultaneous Ring if you use the Web Express. Click the External Line ID link. This feature allows you to view incoming call line identification information for external numbers. Select the On Radio button to enable the feature. Click the Internal Line ID link. This feature allows you to view incoming call line identification information from your coworkers or other members of your work group. Select the On Radio button to enable the feature. Click the Simultaneous Ring link. This feature will simultaneously ring up to 10 additional phones when incoming calls are received. Click the Add button and enter the phone number if you would like to ring an additional phone. Checking the answer confirmation prevents the call from reaching an unattended voicemail box. You can select not to ring the additional phone numbers while you are in an active call. Once you set up your simultaneous ring options, select the On Radio button to enable the service. The last step is to simply click the Apply button. There are 2 outgoing call services that you can configure: automatic callback and calling line ID delivery. Click the automatic callback link to access the service. This feature allows you to monitor a busy party in your group and automatically establish a call when the busy party is available. Select the On Radio button to enable the service and click Apply. Click the Call Line ID Delivery blocking link to access the service. This feature allows you to block the delivery of your calling line ID on outbound calls. Simply check the On Radio button to enable the service and click Apply. There are 4 call control services that you can configure: Altiva Anywhere, Call Waiting, Remote Office, and Voice Messaging. Click the Altiva Anywhere link to access the service. This feature allows you to make and receive calls from any specified phone at any location with only one phone number, just as if it were your primary device. To set up the Altiva Anywhere service, click the Add button. Enter a number for a phone number you wish to activate, and this can be a mobile phone or a landline. You can enter a description of the device if you so choose. Select the Enable checkbox. You can activate the device for click-to-dial calls by selecting the checkbox. This means your toolbar will initiate calls for the device. The advanced options can be used to further customize and route your incoming calls. Click the Call Waiting link to access the service. This feature allows you to answer a call while you're currently on a call simply by selecting the On Radio button. Click the Remote Office link. This feature allows you to use another phone instead of your normal business phone, such as when you're in a hotel room. Simply enter a number for the phone you wish to use as your office phone and select the On Radio button. Finally, click the voice messaging link to access the service. Toolbar Voice Management allows you to specify how voice messages are handled. Unified messaging allows voice messages to be captured and forwarded to a particular address. The phone message waiting indicator is a visual reminder on the phone that a message has been recorded. You can receive an alert or a carbon copy of the voicemail simply by entering an email address and checking the appropriate checkbox. You can also have callers press 0 to route calls to another destination.